Nature's calling me, beckoning me, please believe. I see you breathe life through the wind and the trees. It's got me on my knees, knees. Nature's calling me, beckoning me, please believe. I see you breathe life through the wind and the trees. It's got me on my knees. It's got me on my knees. Nature's calling me, beckoning me, please believe. I see you bring life for everybody. It's got me on my knees.
Natural revelation, I stay complacent only if I'm hidden in the darkness of a basement. Come out of this cellar so I can face it. Open doors, lights are bright, my side is taken to another station. From white noise to a track that's aligned with all of creation. I can't explain it, and that's what makes it. Faith and amazement with anticipation. No describing it, cause it wouldn't be vibrant. An experience that's felt when you choose to write it. Collide into it, abide in the newest, truest thing that brings a bride to you and I. That's the Father, revealed through everything, appeals to every being. On my hands and knees, from the depths I sing. It's like the brightest bling, but that's finite compared to infinity.
Nature's calling me, beckoning me, please believe. I see you breathe life through the wind and the trees. It's got me on my knees.
Got me on my knees.
Nature's calling me, beckoning me, please believe. I see you bring life for everybody. It's got me on my knees.
No description can be given for him. If you could think of one that's out the garden heaven. All we have to compare is the season, the trees, mountains, and the plains. Animals for us to name. Cut off from human contact, he would still go to bat to see that you would know the facts. And that's the truth in a nutshell. Saved from hell cause you whisper through winds in a seashell. Sin will never prevail. Death pales in comparison to the risen sun. The risen one, speaking through the sun as it rises, shining down, breathing into nature's lungs. Clear, gotta revive our souls. Clear, shock you with the natural. Clear, the breath of life is truly given. Clear, yeah, now I'm really living.
Nature's calling me, beckoning me, please believe. I see you breathe life through the wind and the trees. It's got me on my knees. Nature's calling me, beckoning me, please believe. I see you bring life for everybody. It's got me on my knees. Nature's calling me, beckoning me, please believe.